Garlic or Allium sativum is a species of bulbous flowering plant in the genus Allium. Its close relatives include the onion, shallot, leek, and chive. It has been a long common seasoning worldwide, with a history of several thousand years of human consumption and use. However, it has been used as both a food flavoring and traditional medicine. The largest garlic producing country in the world is still occupied by China and followed by India. Both countries have more land area. Then, what is the role of technology in garlic farming? All of you can see in this video. Some of the garlic goes through a crusher, which will separate each clove of garlic from the cob. Then, each clove that has been separated will go through a running conveyor belt. Workers will choose the best onion seeds with large and disease-free criteria that will be planted in the next growing season. After the selected garlic cloves are collected, they will be stored and waiting for the growing season to begin. Meanwhile, in the garlic field, which has an area up to 3,000 hectares, farmers are plowing the land to prepare for the next planting season. The plowing land will be done twice. In the first plowing, use a steel rake and the disc goes deeper into the ground, accompanied by the spread of basic fertilizer during the plowing processes. Fertile garlic is cultivated in soil with a natural pH between 6.5 to 7. After the land is left for 10 days after the first plowing, the farmer will check the condition of the soil that has met the requirements. Then the farmer will hijack the 2 chilies to make rows of planting areas. This will make it easier for the machine to do its job. After the land is ready and the irrigation hose is installed, then the garlic seeds will be put into the automatic tractor planter. The tractor machine can plant 5 to 10 rows of garlic at a time, depending on the type of tractor machine used. Some types of tractors still require manpower at the rear of the machines to ensure the machine picks up the cloves properly. Usually, for 3,000 hectares of land, up to 32,000 tons of garlic can be planted in 1 year. After 15 days, the garlic roots begin to grow downwards and spread into the soil. The leaves begin to grow upwards. Then, at the age of 25 days, the second fertilization will be carried out through the irrigation system to make the fertilization process more efficient. One of the advantages of garlic farming is that the farmers do not have to worry too much about attacks from insects that eat their crops. Because garlic has sulfur compounds in it which give it a pungent aroma. It works as a natural pesticide, However, farmers must remain vigilant against fungal attacks and other soil diseases. If the field becomes infected with fungi or other soil diseases, it will no longer be able to grow there. Then, after going through a long processes of care and maintenance, about 6 to 9 months, it's harvest season. In summer, the farmer knows the exact time of harvest by seeing and counting the number of leaves on the plant. After entering the harvest season, irrigation was stopped. There are many ways that farmers do to harvest their garlic. Each of these methods has its advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of the first method: enter the harvest season and the garlic has grown perfectly and is old. Some farmers will immediately harvest it when the leaves are still green, fresh, and the soil is still wet. This harvesting process usually uses a special harvesting tractor machine that works by pulling garlic from the ground. Next, cut it off at the base, then collect it in the back of the reservoir. Harvesting like this considered the earliest that can be done, but unfortunately, a machine like this will bring a lot of soil into the harvest top. This makes this work not finished here. Farmers must separate the soil from the harvested onions. While if you don't want to deal with a lot of soil in the crop, the farmer will send a tractor mover that will lift the garlic plant from the ground so that the roots are uprooted. Let the garlic and soil dry for about 2 weeks until it is ready to be harvested. Once the soil around the garlic dries up, almost the same tractor harvesting machine will do the job. Meanwhile, for the cleanest and most reliable results in developed countries like America, the manual method is used, namely by sending many workers to the work picking up the garlic one by one, cutting the roots and leaves, then placing the garlic bulbs in an open wooden place to dry for another 2 weeks. This harvest is the cleanest of the 2 previous methods. After the harvest is collected, the garlic will be put on a conveyor belt to be cleaned from the outer shell. Some customers like garlic products that have been peeled for packaged products. Meanwhile, other customers prefer garlic in patches because it is more durable to store and last longer.